Good afternoon.
Okay.
Magandang hapon, everybody. Thank you so much for being here with all of us. So grateful for your participation and being here and supporting us. So thank you for the kind invite.
Okay. Thank you, Robinson. And next, our experts and influencers. You've seen them in the VTR. Architects Danny and Dion. The duo.
Husband and wife team.
Yes. Next, of course, another expert and influencer. Architect Ed. Okay, that completes the lineup for today's press con. At syempre, Val, gusto natin kausapin isa-isa muna kung ano ang pwede nilang i-share at what we'll expect them from this season.
Yes, you can take your seats first. Sige, go ahead.
Thank you.
Let's start this conversation.
Okay, we'll start with Architect Dion. And of course, ang kanyang husband na si Architect Danny. Go ahead.
Hi everyone, I'm Margaret Dayan, and for this season we'll be sharing our knowledge para matulungan ng fellow nating kababayan sa kung paano magpatayo ng bahay. At kung meron man kayong mga tanong, pwede namin sagutin para mas makatulong sa inyo.
I'm Architect Danny. So, yeah, this season we are going to help you understand kung saan ba napupunta yung investment. Kasi long-term investment is a house. Matagal tayo titira dyan. So, it's better to be safe and also it's better to have professionals by your side guiding you during house construction and design.
Thank you. Architect Ed.
Hi, ako po si Architect Ed. Sa season na ito, ang share namin ay ipakita sa mga viewers kung paano gagawing tama yung pag-construct ng bahay. Kasi constructing a house is building a lifestyle. So, kailangan talaga pag-isipan mabuti with the right professionals.
Thank you. Robinson.
All right. And of course, with the knowledge and expertise from our co-hosts in that world, I myself as a co-host will then string it all together alongside Valerie. And we're going to present it in a way where efficiency and conservation and going green and sustainability and making your home last, because this home is built forever. That's the mentality we're going to have. And that's the way we're going to push these segments. So going to be doing that in cooperation with our friends at Habitat for Humanity. So we're so glad that they're going to provide their tutelage and knowledge in regards to that as well. So it's all about making this home last and provide the love that a home gives one and to their family, and we're truly looking forward to that.
And this is actually very close to Rob's heart because you're building a home. Tama ba? Currently.
Yes, absolutely. I still have some plywood dust on me right now. We were just putting up shelves this morning, but yes, this is near and dear to my heart. I am actually going through real time in building a home right now. My second home, actually. I had a home before, sold it, and now this is another home with my family. So super excited, and yeah, this is in my wheelhouse now currently. So thank you, Val.
Val, before we start the press con proper, anything that you want to say?
Yes, for this coming launch notes for September 22, aside from of course our collaboration with our architects and Habitat for Humanity, pumunta rin kami ng Bohol. So makikita natin yung iba't ibang magagandang tanawin sa Bohol. So sana samahan nyo kami sa aming first ever episode for season 9.
Okay.